In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image assets to your Google Ads campaigns. This short and straightforward guide will walk you through the process so you can enhance your ads with eye-catching visuals. First, you'll need to head over to Google Ads. You can easily find it by visiting ads.google.com. Here, you'll be greeted with a streamlined interface that makes navigating and managing your campaigns effortless. Once there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials and get you signed into your account. You'll now find yourself on the Google Ads homepage, which acts as your command center for managing all your ads activities. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Tools. This will open a drop-down menu, giving you access to a variety of options. From this list, you'll want to choose Planning. Clicking on this option takes you a step closer to managing your assets. Now, within the same menu, click on Shared Library. This is where Google Ads stores shared assets that can be used across multiple campaigns and ad groups, providing a centralized location for everything your campaigns might need. Following that, select Asset Library. This section is specifically dedicated to managing all your creative assets like images and videos that you can use in your campaigns. To add a new image, click on the New button you'll find in the Asset Library. This prepares you to upload fresh content to your library. Once you've done that, proceed by clicking Upload. Here's where you get to bring your visuals into your Google Ads library. A pop-up box will appear, prompting you to choose between uploading images and videos. Click on Images and Videos. You'll be guided through the process of selecting and uploading the files you wish to incorporate into your ads. Make sure your images are high quality and relevant to the message you want to convey to your audience. A well-considered image not only attracts attention but can significantly improve the performance of your ad by reinforcing its message visually. Once the upload is complete, your new image assets can be used in your ad campaigns. This process enables you to customize your Google Ads campaigns with compelling images, giving your ads a visual edge over the competition. Incorporating such assets can greatly enhance the appeal and effectiveness of your ads, potentially driving more clicks and conversions. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've managed to add image assets to your Google Ads campaigns with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.